Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Mary Maidenhill. Today we are going to be going and trying and seeing, and we're going to be unboxing the March Boxycharm. I only have the regular box. I don't have the premium or the Boxy Luxe, so this one's what we're doing today. Okay, so we got the box. I got it like 2 days ago, but with everything I haven't been able to film it, so here we are today. So I got the box. Now last month, the February box, I was a little disappointed because even though the products I got were really good, I'm actually still using the drops. They smell like olive oil. I mean, olive oil and corn oil. Anyways, I'm using this drops and I actually do see a difference, but I got all skincare in my box. It was like, you know, no makeup whatsoever. The only thing I got was a set of brushes, Luxie brushes. But anyways, this month, the box, I did open it up a little bit and I did see that I did get some makeup items. So I'm going to go ahead and open it for you guys. Here it is. Okay, so we got a couple of things. One of the first things I noticed was the eyeshadow palette that the Boxycharm came out with, which is this one. I like the packaging. It actually reminds me a little bit of Beauty Killer from Jeffree Star, the actual, like, the shape of it. So it's like this. It's pretty cute. And then it says hello charmers, and then Boxycharm all around, hashtag Boxycharm. And when you open it up, it comes with a little plastic, and it has like a nice mirror. See? And it has a couple of nice colors there. It has like that color charmer. That's really cute. And the swipe up. And then you have like other colors there. So this is one of the items that I got it in the box. I think everybody got this item, but whatever. I got it, so. Now, the other item I got, I know that they're not sending anymore the little card where, you know, the postcard where it explains the products. So I'm going to try to pull it up on the website and I can just read it. I should have received an email. I don't see that I received it, so I will pull it up in a little bit. Anyways, so the next item I got is from Becca Cosmetics, and this is the Ultimate Lip Definer Crayon. So I guess it's a lip liner in the color Vacation. I have it right here. Let me just go ahead and open it. I don't have that many Becca Cosmetics products. This is the lip liner. You can see it there. Yep. Let me see the color right here. It's like a nice mauve look color. It's cute. I don't use lip liner, which I should, because my lips, the top lip is very small. Today I'm just wearing gloss because I didn't want to wear too much lipstick, and then trying to take it off is just like, no. Not today, not today. Anyways, the other item I got from Kat Von D, the Signature Brow Precision Pencil. It's this one right here. Let me pull it out. This one's in the color Graphite. Is that black? I don't have black hairs, but I can use it for something else. It has, okay, so this is what it looks like this. One side has like the little spoolie, and on the other side it has the actual liner. I don't even know what color is this. It looks like it's black. Let me see if you can see it there. Oh my god, that is hard. Okay. I mean, you can do really nice lines with it, which is nice. Yeah, but it's black. So it's not for me. Maybe for like my makeups I do. Maybe I'll just give it away. With this problem with the coronavirus going on, I'm like, oh, girl. I'm going to have to do a box, sanitize it, and do all sorts of things. Okay, so the other product I have, so I have already 3 products. The other product I have is the Murad Hydration Hydro Dramatic Ultimate Moisturizer, or Moisture for Eyes, right here. Now, this is actually very good. You know, I want to try it out because, you know, wearing eyeshadow, mascara, and all those stuff, it messes up your eyes. So here you open it like this, pull it out, and this is it. Now, let's go ahead and open it. It has that little seal on top. Smell like standard lotion, like hand cream or lotion, whatever. Doesn't smell that, you know, amazing. And let's see the other one. The other one, it's from Appeal Ultra Creme Lipstick. It's like a lipstick. Let me see the color. Ooh, I like this color. How do you, it's like kind of like a brick kind of color. I don't know how to explain that color. I'm gonna have to wear it and see. Okay, so that's all I got for this month, March. I'm actually excited about that eyeshadow palette. I'm definitely gonna be swatching it. Let's see how that looks. Okay, so we have we have the color, which is like the white one, Boxy. Then you have Charmer, full size, exclusive, spoiler, luxe, unboxing, sneak peek, premium, swipe up, pop up, and cup of joe. These are the colors here. Now if I want to dig in, okay, first of all, Boxy is very soft. Look at that. Let me see if I can put it here. That is a nice white right there. Then I'm going to go with Charmer, which is this one right here. That looks cute. Let me put it right next to it. Ooh, that is a nice blue, shimmery blue. Now we're going to go with a full size, which is the purple shimmer here. Right there. And let's put it right there. Oh, this was a cute one too. And then we have, I'm not going to try exclusive or spoiler, luxe. I don't like those colors. Okay, I'm just going to go for the last one. I'm going to go where it says swipe up, which is that pressed glitter, I think. Some kind of weird texture there. Let me clean my finger really quick because I want to do with this one. With this one. Clean finger. Let's try it. Ooh. Ew, that feels very weird. It's like gooey. Okay. Look at it from up close. Let me see if that focus on my finger. Nope, whatever. Okay, so I'm going to put it right here. Oh my god, that feels... It is cute right there. But it feels so strange on your finger when you touch it. That one definitely has to be done with a brush, not with your finger, because it feels super strange. It feels kind of wet. That's what it is. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to... Okay, that Precision Brow, I ain't touching it. That's for sure. Because it's not my color. I will definitely try maybe the lip liner. I just gotta clean my lips a little bit. Have a little wipe over here. Remove the gloss. By the way, that gloss is from, it's called the Wet with from Kimchi. That's the one I'm wearing today. Now, I really don't know how to line my lips. So, if this comes out looking crazy, then sorry. Don't come for me. Okay, let me go ahead and try that. Let's see. Let's see if I can actually do it. I don't even know if this is how you do it. Huh. Let's see. I don't even know if this is right, but I don't even know if that's right, but we're trying it. Okay. So I think I lined my lips. Looks kind of crazy. Let me just put this over here. Okay, so now I'm going to try that Appeal color. It doesn't have like the color name. Let me see. It's just a strange. The plastic. Mood. I think this is color Mood. I think. So let's try it. Okay, so this is super soft. I didn't line my lips that well, but whatever. Okay. So if you're coming for like a lip tutorial, this is not the right channel for you. I didn't line my lips right. Whatever, it's gonna stay like that. Let me just clean this part right here because it looks messy. Okay, it's staying like that. Sorry. You came for the Boxycharm to see what I got, so you're not coming to see my lips. Anyways, so let me see if I can find that. Okay, I found it. So starting with the Boxycharm Eyeshadow Palette, and this one, it retails for $39. So you get it in the box. You're already paying $25, I think it is, for the box, and you're getting 4 other products aside from the eyeshadow palette. So this one retails for $39. Okay, now then the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for your eyes. This one retails for $70. $70. This must not work for them to be giving it for the Boxycharm. Sorry, that's my opinion. The other thing I got, it's like a big list. It shows you like everything you get. The Kat Von D Vegan Beauty Signature Brow Precision Pencil. This one right here retails for $21. $21. And then I also got, let me go to the other page. Oh, there you are. The Appeal Cosmetic Ultra Creme Lipstick. This lipstick retails for $21. It is cute, but I would never pay $21 for it. So thank you, Boxycharm, for putting it in the bag, in the box. Now the other thing I got was that lip liner from Becca. I threw it somewhere. Oh, here it is. This one, Ultimate Lip Definer. This one retails for $22. This is not worth $22. But if I get it on the box, then completely fine. It's okay. But I wouldn't pay $22 for this, and I guess nobody else did. That's why it's in the box. So that's where it's going. I'm not going to give it to someone else other than my sister, because she don't care I put it on my lips. If you don't care if I put it on it has touched my lips. I don't have coronavirus. I don't have any cooties. Just let me know and I'll send it to you. I tried it out. Anyways, yeah, that's what I got for the March Boxycharm box. Did I like it this month? Did I like the February one? No. But this one, I mean, at least it has some makeup products and just one skincare product. So thank you for that. So anyways, I don't know what you guys got on your boxes. If you want to like put it down below, let me know what you got, if you liked it, if you didn't like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do that. It's free. Yes. And you will be helping a girl out. Click on that notification bell so whenever I upload another video, you get notified. And follow me on Instagram, on Facebook. We can be Facebook friends. We can be YouTube friends. I mean, the world is full of possibilities. So you know what? Be safe. Don't go out. Follow the instructions as far as not getting contaminated or the virus. Because the coronavirus is out there and it's messing up everything. Cancel culture. Coronavirus. Drop mic. Anyway, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.